Hey there, Google Sheets enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your spreadsheet game stronger. Today, we're tackling how to group rows in Google Sheets for 2025. If you've got a massive dataset that's overwhelming, grouping rows is your secret weapon. It lets you collapse and expand sections, making navigation a breeze. Let's dive right in. First off, why should you care? Grouping rows helps organize data, especially in reports or large tables, by hiding details when you don't need them. This feature hasn't changed much in 2025, but it's still super efficient. To get started, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and have a sheet ready with some data. Step 1. Select the rows you want to group. Click and drag your mouse over the row numbers on the left, or hold down Ctrl, Command on Mac, to pick non-consecutive rows. For example, if you're working with monthly sales data, select rows 3 through 10. Step 2. Once selected, right-click on the highlighted area. From the drop-down menu, look for Group Rows and click it. In the 2025 version, this option is even more prominent, so it should be easy to find. Step 3. Voila! You'll see a small minus sign, or bracket, appear next to the row numbers. Click it to collapse the group, hiding those rows, or click the plus sign to expand them again. If you need to ungroup, just right-click and select Ungroup Rows. Now, for some pro tips. Use grouping with filters or sorting to really amp up your data analysis. A common mistake is grouping header rows. Always double-check to keep your labels visible. This keeps your sheet clean and professional. There you have it. Grouping rows in Google Sheets is straightforward and powerful. Give it a try on your next project and watch your productivity soar. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.